another video, and today I'm doing like a trust just in case, yeah, as I always say, just in case anybody scams, I'm going to like, they're on video, at least. Okay, recording. And if there's no scamming, I'm just gonna not upload a video. Just for fun, I might. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I'm back now, and yeah, basically that's all I have to say. Who is this? Another new gemmer? What? I don't get anything. So I am with these two lovely ladies. I'm with one cat, 1, 2, 3, and Amelia Rose. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Eat not my phone. Because I need to get my eyes tested. So, and I am the Midnight Spirit here. That's me. That's money. Oh. What? What is he doing? Oh. Oh, lots of. Loads of jammy, you know. That's jammy. Okay. Who's it from? Come on. Tell me. Oh, him, her, I don't know who it is. Beatering? What even is that? Beatering? I'm not gonna scam. I'm not one of those people. And if these people do scam, they are on video, as I already said, because I repeat my words. Oh my god. And I'm still in my PJs. Wow. How many more res you have? Please trade me. Cry. What if you scam? Hola. By the way, guys, I do have if you want to know how to get all of this stuff, well, at least most of this stuff, yes, all of that, then just watch my video. Not. So you go into adventures, do Return of the Phantoms on hard level. You'll need to be level 2. Sorry. Yeah. Forgotten Desert. Why? Why? Tell me. No, I don't want to do this. Whoops! Showing my house. Too excited. I mean, I feel like I'm dreaming. I know. IKR. Me too. Me too. I do all the time. I did a huge overtrade for, what's it called? Amelia Rose's one. And I'll show you what I traded. I traded my rarely, my worn, my party hat, and a rare. Another rare it is. Bye. Sorry if this video is so bad. I'm tired. Pet Spike? What Spike? Well, say bye to my vid. Say bye to my vid. Bye guys, see you next time. Peace. Wait. Peace. Peace, yeah. But seriously, peace out and bye.